Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You have a starting value and you begin immediately. Enter the first number, select its cell, then click the small square at the cell corner, the fill handle. Drag one cell to the next to create a pattern baseline. Once done, Excel guesses whether you want a series or copy. Make sure to watch the tooltip that shows values while dragging. If Excel copied instead of incrementing, stop and use the next step. Explicitly define the increment with a formula so you control the result. Now define the step so Excel cannot guess wrong. In the second cell, type a clear formula, equals A1 plus 1 for whole numbers or equals A1 plus 0. 5 for halves. This explains the how and why. You tell Excel the exact mathematical rule so each subsequent cell computes the next value. Once done, select both cells and drag the fill handle down or double-click it to fill the column. Make sure to use relative references so each row increments from the previous row automatically. Finish by locking in Results and checking Display. If you need static numbers, copy the filled range and paste Special as values. That removes formulas. Also verify cell formatting so numbers show decimals or separators you expect. Finally, one key troubleshooting tip. If nothing updates when you drag, confirm Excel's calculation mode is set to automatic, otherwise formulas won't recalc. If values still behave oddly, inspect for mixed text number types and convert text to numbers before repeating the increment.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.